In this video, we will compare Nestjs and Fastify. Now first, let's go to Nestjs features. The first feature is built-in with TypeScript. Fully supports TypeScript while also working with JavaScript. Second is modular architecture. Encourages a structured, scalable application design. Third is the dependency injection. It has a built-in support for managing dependencies efficiently. And Express and Fastify support. You can use either framework under the hood. It also has a graph, HQL, and WebSockets. Provides first-class support for modern web technologies. With a fifth feature is the middleware and interceptors. Offers powerful request handling customization. And now let's dive into the Fastify features. First, it has an ultra-fast performance optimized for low overhead and speed. It has a lightweight and minimalistic focuses on API development. With schema-based validation, uses JSON schema for request validation. Built-in asynchronous support, uses asynchronous and await by default. Extensive plugin system, allows flexible customization and low memory regions, ideal for resource-efficient application. And now let's go to our final thought. Nestjs is best for large-scale enterprise application requiring structured architecture and scalability. On the other hand, Fastify is ideal for developers who need a high-performance, minimalistic API framework with low overhead. Thank you for watching.